He's putting the top down for the ride out.
Alright, I'm going to the grocery store. And then I'll
Hold on. Why don't you ride with us? We got to return our shit, and that place is right there.
Oh, where are you going?
I can go right now.
Oh, I'll wait for you. I didn't know you were doing
Watch out for the white car.
Oh, yeah.
Nice snow tires, dude. Oh! Woo! All right, yeah, you guys want to go return our shit?
that top down.